Okay, welcome to Unit 6, Section 5, Video 1. We're going to be talking about the complex plane. So I'm going to introduce you to the complex plane. So we have something, let me get my black pen. So we'll have something that looks like this. This is the imaginary axis. And this is the real axis. And we will use this to graph complex numbers. So you know they're a plus b I. Well, this is how you would graph them. So let's say we have 2 minus 3i. So we would go to 2 in our reals. That would be that value there. And then we would go to negative 3 in the imaginary. So that's 1, 2, 3. So this is negative 3i right there. So 2 minus 3i is this right here. 2 minus 3i. That's that point. Now you can plot purely imaginary numbers. Like this point would be 3i. You can also plot just strictly real numbers. This would be 4. See how that works? So, for example, if I had 2 plus 4i, that would be equivalent to the point 2, 4 in the complex plane, but this would be the imaginary part. If I had negative 3i, it would be negative 3, 1. If I had negative I, it would be 0, negative 1. If I had 4, of course, it would be 4, 0. And if I had 1 minus 2i, I would have 1 minus 2. And that's how those are represented in the complex plane. Oh, one more thing I want to add. Sorry about that. So one way these can become vectors, like that could represent a vector in the complex plane. So we know that this value is the absolute value of our number. And that's the distance. So the distance is equal to the absolute value of the complex number. So that's a plus bi equals a squared plus b squared, all under the square root. Now, finding the absolute value of a complex number. So first, absolute value of z, because the absolute value of negative 2 plus 5i equals negative 2 squared plus 5 squared, all under the square root. That's going to give us 4 plus 25. And that's going to give us the square root of 29, which we can't simplify. So we'll have to leave it at that. So now it wants me to plot this number z. So I'm going to go to negative 2 on the reals. Remember, both of these sides are the reals and both are the imaginaries. Positive, negative in both directions. So negative 2 in the real, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5i. Is right, 5 is right there. So it's negative 2, 5. And this point here is negative 2 plus 5i. And that's what it means by plotting that. Okay, so that was your introduction to the complex plane, and I will see you in the next one.